Good morning, students. Everyone is well and good. I hope that wherever you are, and today I'm going to give you some information regarding your Science 2 chapter and plus one activity also you have to do. And before starting the explanation of the information regarding whatever I'm going to discuss it today, so I want to clarify that this is about only for Science 2 subject, okay, for your standard only. We'll start today's session right now. In your chapter, means in your science subject, there are total 10 chapters, right? So first one is already completed, as we have instructed that like that. Second chapter is also completed. Third chapter, uh, the half one was completed, and the rest of the part I have completed on dated 21st September, right? I have completed, and some of the portion have reduced from your chapter, right? And regarding four chapters, this chapter is theoretical chapter, and about the awareness, whatever awareness is you have seen surrounding yourself, it is about that. And some basic terms you would have came across in your ninth standard also. So it will be easy for you, to understand all the topics from this chapter. It is not very difficult chapter. Then after that, towards green management, this chapter is about the continuation part of the environmental management. These both things are related with each other. There is I don't think you feel anything very difficult to understand the terms and explanation given in your book. Whatever given in your book, that is more important to learn that, right? Regarding animal classification, I have sent a video in your class group. If you find it difficult any chapter from 3 to 6th number chapter, I'm ready to explain you each term with all the explanation, whatever possible way is there to explain you. Until that, take your own time, no problem, need not to be hurry. After completion of these explanation of these chapters only, we'll move on to next chapter, right? I think everyone has understood what I have said till now. Okay, this is about your chapter. Now, I want to inform you something regarding your practice test. After completion of each chapter, I'll conduct a practice test. It will be in a Google form. First thing. The second, it will be only one time submission, so just be careful while filling your answers, right? And no time limit, within 1 week you can take to fill this form. There is need not to be hurry, and it's for only for your practice purposes. And the fifth instruction it is, that is, after test need not to send any responses to anywhere, right? And just submit, just fill the form in Google form and submit it like that. That's it. And while giving your answer, go through your lesson. You can go through and you can check your answer anywhere, no problem in that. You can take your own time, and at least you all, by this way you all will be aware about the topic or the term, right? Like this. And this test is only for practice, so just write your name and your division for your identity in the test form. Then chapter 3 completed on 21 September 2020. I'm repeating this. That day I have completed, and some of the portion is also reduced from your syllabus, so just go through it and check it, all those things. And some of the students also attended those session. The 10th instruction is, will put link in next session, not in this session. I'm going to put any sort of chapter link and any sort of chapter introduction or explanation, and then we'll give you enough time for your self study. There is need not to be hurry, okay? You don't worry about it. And if you want me to explain it, I'll explain it for you, and I'll send it in your group in any possible way, right? If you need more time to do revision for your chapter, then also no problem. After revision only, we'll go for other chapter. I think this is also clear for you, okay? Now, Now just come to the activity part. Here in this activity, what I'm going to do, the topic for activity or the performance, what you have to do in this, it is important for first of all your observation skill in this topic. Through if you go anywhere through historical places or through picnic places, it is very important, just try to observe the thing clearly. Whatever you find, you should know that about something related. If something rarely, if you see some any place or any historical fort or any sort of stone, there is a different type of in a different style, some jewelries is there, then try to observe clearly and try to gather information regarding that. It will help you to it will help your improving your critical or creativity in that particular matter. And the second one, it is also important for improving performance in your objective examination after completion of your schools. And while you after completion your board exam also, you want to give some sort of merit exam, it also helps to improve your performance in those questions and those examinations also, right? And the third one is awareness. You should be aware about something. So the whatever thing you know, it should be clear in your mind. It is not like that the partial information you should have. You should have correct information regarding any topic, right? Now, and after, in this activity, what you have to do, you have to do word search activity, and some alphabetical letter you can see in a tabular manner. I have put it inside there. What you have to do, you have to go for second this all these letters are there, you have to find it out. Suppose consequences, I have given one example, consequences is there. Then again, what consequences, if you able to find, just strike it out, so it will be easily able to identify which one you have already searched and which one you have to search. And try to complete all these words in, and complete this activity. This is an activity, very easy activity, I'm sure. And I hope everyone is aware about this type of games. You would have seen in your sudoku, like in newspaper and articles, right? All these things. So just go through and do this activity. This is a besides of your studies and apart from your study, do it with fun and take your own time. Need not to send it anywhere. You can go through it slowly, and one by one you can complete it with your own time, right? And your own choices. And it doesn't mean that consequences a term, a word is there, so you have to strike it in a straight manner. Word you can find it in a slanting position also, in anywhere, but every word is there, right? You have to find it and go through it, no problem. I hope everyone has understood what I have said and have given information regarding some basic things, what you have to do and how we'll proceed with our other chapters from your science 2 subject. Okay. Now for today's session, it is, I think, enough. Thank you so much for listening this much, and take care. Be safe. Right? Thank you so much.